This video is about doing a deeper clean if you have code C1001, 5001, or N30/4, which means there is a problem with the ESP, Electronic Stability Program, also known as the ABS, BAS, ETS. So you'll see how to remove the control module and clean the connector and the hydraulic distribution block, specifically the solenoid coils. First, if you haven't already, check out the first video of me quickly cleaning the connector to see if the lights go away. If the quick clean didn't work, or you just want to do a deeper clean before you spend money on a replacement piece, then this video is the best to watch. Here are all the supplies and tools you need: air can, electric parts cleaner, toothbrush, pipe brush, pliers, a 1/4-inch ratchet wrench, and very important, an external E5 socket. I'll put all of these items in the description below for quick reference and for you to gather. Please mention later in the comments if this deep cleaning video helped, or if you wound up just swapping the control module out. And feel free to like and subscribe. You'll keep learning some great tips and tricks to fix and repair your vehicle, no mechanic required. Let's get to it. Open the hood and you'll see this is the ABS motor pump in the front. This is the hydraulic block with hydraulic lines in the center. And lastly, this rectangular piece is the control module, which has 2 to 4 E5 bolts on the top and the bottom. Okay, unclip the fuse panel cover. You need space so you can remove the bolts on the control module. Now on top is this push connector, which connects to the control module. Go ahead and push it up. Do it slowly. Now, for better access, remove this swingable cover by pressing this clip on the bottom. Now's a good chance to look for any cut wires, and if so, repair them. Then pull the connector off. It may be stubbornly on, so just keep wiggling it until it comes off. Now your control module may be in the front, which is easy to remove. However, if it's in the rear, like this, the question becomes, how do you get these e-torque balls off, as a regular ratchet or extension don't fit here? Well, don't panic. Although not easy, just grab a pair of pliers and put the E5 bolt on it. All you're doing is cracking the bolt loose. Once it feels loose, then just use your fingers to remove the bolt. It's really not as hard as it looks. Now, you'll notice the bolt doesn't come out. Don't worry about it for now. We'll grab it later. The top are a breeze to do, as you can use a ratchet wrench with the E5 bolt to remove both of these screws. Again, not much space, but to remove the control module piece, you are lightly pushing the ABS motor or block with solenoids away as you pull the control module upwards and towards the engine area, or to the right in this case. And I dropped the screw, so make sure you grab that once it's past the fuse box. Now to do some cleaning. Spray some electric parts cleaner on here and start scrubbing with the toothbrush, and then the pipe brush, and then with a shop towel. Now to do the actual connector. Spray some air. Spray some electric cleaner on here. Then use a toothbrush to get inside the little holes. Then use a pipe brush in between the about 47 holes. This gets any dirt or corrosion out that has been built up over time. Next, blow some air on it. Wow, now that looks pretty clean. Now, grab your control module and spray some electric parts cleaner on the coils. I'm cleaning these with a toothbrush, including the pins, which might be overkill. Next, like with the connector, I'm using a small soft pipe brush to clean the inside of the coils, as well as the pins on the left. Spray with an air can to get any loose material out. Also spray here by this circle. This is where the circuit board lays inside and is like a breather section. Anyway, now that it's nice and clean, let's reinstall it. But before doing that, if this has helped so far, please like and subscribe. Now maneuver the control module back in like before, And remember to place one of the E5 bolts in the bottom opening before lining it back in its original position. You'll see I'm very lightly moving the ABS motor to squeeze the control module in place. Here's a side angle. Now push it together. Now grab your ratchet wrench and E5 bolt and tighten the screws on the top. You only need to hand tighten the bottom, which of course means no ratchet. Now put the fuse cover back on. Reconnect the wire harness connector by lining up the circular tabs on the side and push it into place. Here's a different angle. Make sure it's pushed in tightly and then reattach the swingable connector cover. Now push the connector forward and push down on the top of this connector to lock the connector to the control module.
Okay. Now, when you turn the car on, the troubleshooting lights will either go off almost immediately, or you may have to connect your OBD scanner to clear the stored codes. And if this deep cleaning approach did not work, then unfortunately you'll have to swap out the unit for a gently used one. That way you won't have to go to a dealership and pay for programming. Anyway, you can watch the swapping of the part in the description below. Please mention in the comments if this video helped and resolved your problem, or if you had to resort to getting a new control module. This will help other viewers out. Until next time, please like, subscribe, and if possible, make videos you think can help others. Thanks for learning, reading the description, and watching.